Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. And it's a pretty good day out there. And we're seeing that, a lot of the crypto is up right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up. The little bitty baby is up, guys. We're seeing Ethereum is up as well. It's above $3,500. So that's pretty good. We're seeing Bitcoin is up as well. So remember, this video is not financial advice. It's the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this video is for educational purposes only. So let's get it, guys. We got lots to talk about. Looks like we're going to talk about the UK is getting positive on crypto. That's really cool. I'm also going to jump into some of the top 10 projects that I think have a good potential to go up 10x by the end of this year. Also, I'm going to talk about and give you some Bitcoin and Ethereum targets, and these are pretty likely targets that we could be seeing hitting. And this is not just from the OG. This is from a number of analysts out there. So we got a huge video for you. We're going to look at the fear and greed. We're going to look at the Doge right now, and everybody's all going nuts about Elon Musk buying 9.2% in Twitter. Hopefully, we're going to get the Dogecoin tip jar happening. So that's going to be really good. And it looks like Elon Musk just had a poll on Twitter, and he was asking if people want to be able to edit their posts. I think that would be really cool, because nothing worse than, you post something on Twitter, you got two options: delete, do it again, but you can't edit. So hopefully you can start editing. That's going to be really good. The Miami Bitcoin conference starting tomorrow, so that is going to be cool beans, guys. So that is coming up, and hopefully that's going to be a huge catalyst. That's going to take things uppity up, guys. Some other big news that's coming in. We got PwC. More than 80% of central banks are considering launching CBDC. So this is cool. I've been talking about this for over a year now, that at some point the central governments around the world are going to capitulate, and they're going to realize that crypto is like a freight train going 100 miles an hour downhill. You can't stop it. You can either get out of the way or you can join the bandwagon. And, as we see more and more central banks, aping into their own CBDC, that is going to be a really cool, because what you do not understand out there, ladies and gentlemen, is that right now we have fiat, we have crypto. And once we have a CBDC, this is going to create the middle ground. And, because if you're interacting on a daily basis with a CBDC when you're going to the supermarket buying pizza, whatever, the psychological jump between CBDC and crypto, it's the same thing, guys. So CBDCs, what they're going to do is they're going to allow for the masses to ape in to crypto, because it's going to bring down the barriers. It's going to bring down the fear of interacting with digital currency. So this is huge, guys. I'm a big maxi, a big proponent of central governments having a CBDC. So this is a big win. And we can see China's already got their rolled out. So we're seeing that Bitcoin exchange outflow suggests rally maybe only just starting. So as I've been talking about time and time again, we're seeing that, there's more and more Bitcoin flowing off exchanges like never before. We're seeing more and more Ethereum flowing off exchanges like never before. And we're seeing more Tether flowing onto exchanges so people can buy up the bitty, and people can buy up Ethereum. Now keep in mind, we got Ethereum 2.0 happening very soon, so that is pretty bullish. So you can see that we had $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin flow off exchanges, and we had $1.7 billion of Ethereum also flow exchanges. So this is bullish, guys. Wake up, smell the coffee. This is bullish. More and more cryptocurrencies being taken off exchanges, and this is huge, guys, because people holding like never before. So it looks like UK plans announced its plan to adopt stablecoins as legal tender. So it looks like UK is ramping things up, and breaking news: UK has announced plans to adopt stablecoins as legal tender. So this is cool. Now they haven't alluded if they're going to make their own CBDC or use an existing stablecoin. Hey, would be great. Maybe they'll go for the Dogecoin. Woof woof, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So that would be cool. So other news that's coming in as well. You can see that this is from TN Analyst, and he's saying that bull run in the next 12 months. Booyah, bouncing progress We're seeing a huge bounce in progress, and we could be seeing 190K in 12 months, guys. And we're seeing a 3 week time frame. Aaron indicator strength is 25, guys. So this is cool, guys. This is absolutely cool. We're seeing a huge bounce in progress, and this could take us up to 190K in 2022. Yes, 190K in 2022, guys. So this is cool beans in the house. So this also, this UK finance minister says he's taking steps to position UK as a global crypto hub. So it looks like there were some Debbie Downer stuff coming from the UK, and people thought that they were going to go down the same dark road as the EU, but it looks like UK, they're planning to be crypto maxis out there, so this is pretty good. But let's see how what happens on the tax front. If they go down the same road as India with this 30% capital gains tax, OMG. I mean, it's insane. We're seeing that in India right now, the trading volumes on crypto it's almost screamed to a halt. I must say that Indonesia, they're becoming smarter and smarter, because there the finance minister says, look, yeah, we're gonna tax crypto. We're gonna tax crypto, but it's only 0.01%, which is a nothing burger. I can handle that. I have no problem with that. So that is cool if you're in Indonesia. And, a lot of my crypto sitting in Indonesia, just FYI. So also on the rainbow chart, we're still seeing right now that crypto is still cheap. This is absolutely still a huge time. It's still a good opportunity to be buying the dips. Later, we're going to talk about some top cryptocurrencies that I think that are good pickups, and we could see easily 10xing, if not 20xing, in 2022. And we're seeing that the altcoin season is just about to get started, ladies and gentlemen. This is also from King Crypto, and he's saying long-term prediction. Both Bitcoin and ETC have formed a running flat correction. I think we can expect 90 to 6K in the short term for crypto, guys. So this is another guy who's saying, look, we could be seeing $90 to $6,000 for the biddy coming in soon. And I believe that, guys. I believe that, there's going to be a big bounce, guys. And that could be anywhere between, 100 to 90K, guys. So once again, this is from Blake in the house. I'm never disappointed by Blake chart. So you can see here, look, this is on the weekly. We can see that Bitcoin is heading up to the 1.618 Fibonacci level, and every time we hit the 1.618 Fibonacci level, we often have a huge run to the upside. So it's just a matter of time. Goldman Sachs is saying, wealthy clients are looking at Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Look, I've been saying this forever, guys. Bitcoin is a huge maxi hedge against inflation. So you guys got to get it. See, we're seeing the fear and greed index right now is neutral. It's at 53 right now, so that is pretty good. And what a lot of people don't understand is that the fear and greed is a contrary indicator, and Bitcoin is kind of weird, right? As price goes up, you see more retail ape in. So it's kind of a contrary indicator. And Crypto did say something, today that, if you want to buy a pair of luxury shoes, you go to Gucci, you see the shoes, they're not on sale. You go home, you got to think about it, right? Oh, geez. And then the next day you go to the Gucci and you see that these shoes are on discount 30%. So that discount is going to push you into the decision to buy the shoes. But Bitcoin seems to be the opposite. When the price is down and we have extreme fear, retail is like, I'm not going to buy because it's going down. But retail tends to buy when Bitcoin is high, which is, and that's why 95% of people lose money on crypto and only 5% become billionaires, because the billionaires, the smart money, is buying crypto when the fear and greed is extreme fear, guys. And I have been telling all of my peeps, all of the community for over a year, that if you want to make money in crypto, you don't follow the herd. That's the first thing. If you follow the herd, you're going to get wrecked. You're going to lose money and you're going to be crying up a storm. What you do is just look at the fear and greed index indicator, guys, right in front of you, smack dab in front of you. When you're in extreme fear, these are the times to be buying crypto like crazy, like a madman out there, and do that. And when the fear and greed is extreme greed, that's when you start selling. And that's what you want to do, guys and gals. It's not financial advice. Don't forget to go boop that like, boop that like. We're seeing that, April is going to be huge. I've been telling you, April is going to be huge. We're seeing that the majority over since 2013, 2022, over the last 9 years, we see that April is often a barn burner. We're seeing the altcoin season, we've come down from 71 yesterday. We're still not quite there, but we're getting there, guys. We're absolutely getting there. If you take a look at the Doge right now, Doge is above 15 cents, 15.08 to be exact. A booyah, babies. And, we did have a big pump. We hit almost 16 cents yesterday. We had the Elon Musk effect because because he was buying Twitter. We're down right now, but, that's the thing. Anytime that anything positive comes out from Elon, you'll see Doge pump and then it retests back down. So we did retest back down. We're above 15, so that is positive. We didn't go slammy dang to 14, guys. Boop the likes, guys. Boop the likes. So I'm feeling pretty cool and pretty positive. Let's take a look at the bitty. My little bitty baby right now is at 46,679. I think we could get ourselves back up to $47,000. So things are looking pretty good. I did tell you that we are anticipating a 29% breakout for bitty. We could get ourselves definitely over $50,000 this month, guys. Mark my words. Definitely going to be hitting, guys. Let's take a look at the leverage apes. What are the leverage apes doing right now? So leverage apes, we got 78,000 traders have been wrecked. About $184 million in wreckage out there. The apes, the apes out there. And we're seeing right now that it's a split between longs and shorts. So the market makers are indecisive. We're seeing, I believe, on the shorter time frame that it's shorts, exactly as predicted. Shorts, 4 hours shorts, 12 hours long. So we're seeing that the short positions are starting to build up, and that is why we're seeing the Bitcoin price starting to move in the right direction, and it's going to go uppity up. So that is pretty good. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we're well above the 21-day EMA, so that is pretty good. We're inside my horizontal support line between 46 and 48,000, and once we get a breakout to 48,000, $50,000 is going to be incoming. But we absolutely need to keep that 48,000 above 48,000 for at least a 24-hour period. We're seeing we got 5 days and 22 hours left on this weekly candle. I believe that this is going to be a positive green candle for the crypto overall, guys and gals. Ethereum right now is above $3,500, so that is good. I mean, it's too close for comfort. I would be more comfortable with see Ethereum over $3,600 and staying there. So there is a possibility that Ethereum could collapse down. So just keep an eye on that. Take a look at the Phantom in the house. Phantom is exactly on our support line. It's like stuck here like super glue. It's at 156, guys and gals. And we're seeing right now that Solana is $132. It's also going sideways. Nothing too much to report there. We're seeing that ADA is above $1.20. It's following my trend line exactly as predicted, guys. So let's talk about some of the top crypto projects that I think are going to be really cool. And that could definitely 10 to 20x. We're seeing if we take a look at the total TVL lock right now, it's about 230 billion. And if you look at one of the biggest chains right now, it's Curve, and they're up about 3.39%. But let's take a look at the individual chains. I'm going to tell you, these are the coins that I'm buying. These are the coins that I'm picking up. Of course, King Daddy, Ethereum. Remember, you want to stay in the blue chip cryptocurrencies. You don't want to go and get these speculative like poo-poo schmata coin and all that, because you're going to get wrecked like a crazy person out there. So some of the coins that I'm looking at, I'm loving, is I'm definitely buying more Terra. I'm dollar cost averaging into this baby. BNB, yes, not as much as Terra. Avalanche, yes. Avalanche is going to be cool. We're seeing Solana, yes. I mean, Solana's had some turbulence, but overall, we're seeing that right now it's up about 16.35%. Luna's up 37%. Phantom. I still think Phantom is a good opportunity long term. It's not looking good right now, but this is a good buy right now. It's down almost 30%. Tron, I don't touch that. I hate Tron. Beat me up. And Polymatic is, I'm a big maxi on Polymatic. I think it's really good. Chronos, yes. Polkadot, yes. Osmosis, no. Clay, no. Near, yes. Harmony, I've been holding Harmony for a long time. I love the Harmony. It is a really good project. I mean, it's a slow mover. It's slow. But it's a blue chip. I think it's a blue chip because it goes up, it goes up, goes up. I'm not going to talk about Metaverse. I'm not going to talk about Mana, Gala, Engine. These are good pickups. But in terms of layer one, layer twos, I believe these are really solid investments that I think are going to go up. This is not financial advice. Thorchain, yes. And remember, these things are going to like 10, 20x. I mean, these are not going to be like the 1,000x moonshot, because remember, for every 1,000 poo-poo schmatter coins, 999 are going to dump, tank, rug pull, a lot of garbage out there. There might be one that will go 1,000x, and you could get lucky. Okay, it's like putting your money in a slot machine. Definitely, you could get lucky, but definitely, I don't want to risk my financial future by buying poo-poo schmata. And I know a lot of retail investors out there, they love this whole let's get rich quick, and they get wrecked. Stick with the blue chips, guys. Stick with the blue chip. Stick with the layer one, layer two, metaverse gaming, and just stick there, guys. And you want to have a diversified portfolio. Absolutely, you want to have a diversified portfolio. And if we take a look at the OG portfolio in the house, we can see right here that from a diversification diversification perspective, you can see right now that our portfolio is still up 49%, and we got a total balance 7,486. We only put 5 in, but you can see how we are. We are definitely diversified. We've got like 27% in Bitcoin, 26% in Ethereum, and this is good. This is a good makeup. You got BNB, you got Polkadot, you got Algorand, you got Polygon, Harmony, Doge, VeChain, Cardano, Swissborg, Kronos, Avalanche, guys. So these are the things that I'm looking at. These are the things that you want to be looking at, and this will, give you solid growth, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. If you're going to want to ape into these poo-poo schmata coins, the toilet flush coin and all of these crazy crappy, these SHIT coins out there, be my guest, but you will get wrecked. 99.9% you're going to lose your money. But, if you stick with the blue chips, you're definitely going to grow your portfolio over time, and just hodl dollar cost average and wait for life-changing wealth. And this is how you are successful, guys. So, from that perspective, this is what you want to do. We're seeing that right now, the whole crypto markets are turning green. So this is very positive in the house, guys. So, I believe that, these blue chip cryptos are the ones that you want to be looking at. These will definitely, they're going to be slow. They're going to be consistently growing over time. You're not going to have to worry about it. You're not going to have to sweat it. Sure, you're not going to become a billionaire. And remember, slow and steady is the way to win the race, guys. Because if you go into these poo-poo schmata coins, you're not going to make money. You will get wrecked. I mean, look at, like Floki Inu and Saitama. I mean, these babies are down like 80, 90% from their all-time highs. And a lot of people got wrecked. I mean, not this, and if you own them, beautiful. But, they're not performing. They're not performing, guys. They're absolutely not performing. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to close this video right now. Don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Follow. And don't forget to boop the likes, smash the likes, subscribe me, YB in the house. And don't forget to go and check out the links, guys. You can find those down below. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch. So, it looks like we're going to have a blessed day for the cryptocurrency. Guys, be humble out there. Dollar cost average. Don't panic. And, my opinion is don't ape into these SHIT coins. Stay with the blue chips and you'll just be fine. Slow and steady is the way to go. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. Never leverage trade. So God bless each and every one. I'll see you in the next one, guys. It's a beautiful time to be alive. I love it. You love it. Let's get it.